On May 6th, I decided to start recording the process in which it took for the cicadas to turn from what seemed to be like a beetle-like form into what we know to be the cicadas themselves. They were all coming up the tree around this time, as you see, and breaking out of their cocoons, if you want to call it that, and transforming into what we know or see as cicadas. This first event took place on this day. I took the time to make sure that I could catch as much as their beginning stage as possible during this documented video, if you want to call it that. And as you see, I got pretty good shots of what it looks like when these guys are breaking free from their if you want to call, like I said, cocoon, into coming into the world in which they would live for the next month. Here I am speaking with you about another date on May 10th where I was watching the woods, and these guys actually started to make the sound that we would hear over the next month, having them make, which is, I believe, a mating call that they would use in order to get other cicadas to come to their location. There will be information about this later on in the video. This sound you're hearing, guys, that's the sound of the cicadas. It's a sound you probably won't hear for the next 17 years, the next 13 years, but actually the 17-year and 13-year cicadas are out at the same time. So together, it's a sound you won't hear probably for our lifetime. But if this video makes it to see 221 years, that is the next time you'll hear both these broods out together. Listen to that. That sound is extremely loud, guys. And it's not even right next to me. It's off in the distance. The further you get into the woods, the more you hear. I came here to record the video because I know I would get more activity. I'm going to put some information up about the cicadas, the 17-year and the 13-year ones too, in this video, so you'll see that information popping up on the screen. But yeah, and this video, everyone right there, look at that. I don't know where it was at, but this video, I will upload this video. By the time you see this video, guys, it'll probably be the middle of July. The cicadas will be long gone by the time this video is uploaded, because the channel was basically put on punishment by YouTube, and I was not able to upload any videos. I tried to catch that one as it flew by. Butterfly. Yeah, I couldn't catch him. I'm just trying to get some on. I got some other ones on video to show you guys already. Swatting at these butterflies, getting them out of my face. Yeah, I got some more video to show you guys already, to show you what they look like. You can see them. Ooh, in flight. You'll see them in like on the trolley flying across. There we go. There we go. Oh, you see that one? But yeah, they're all over, guys. You'll see them flying across the screen. Yeah. Yeah, so just giving you guys a little, we just doing a little walkthrough. We're gonna get some more video at it. So keep on watching. Yeah, guys, so eventually all of the cicadas ended up dying off. The sound you hear in the background is not actually cicadas, that's actually crickets. But they eventually all die off. Now, this video was being recorded on June 8th. The last time I recorded the video was in the middle of May when they were already here. By the time you see this video or you catch this video, it may be well into the summer. So I basically documented the whole time that they were here from the beginning to the end. It took about a month for them to die off. It's just amazing how they were here and now they're gone in an instant. I'm sure they're inside, or the birds and the animals inside probably fed on them and ate the ones who died off. But yeah, guys, a 221-year event over within a month. Yep. I was glad to be a part of this event and glad to have documented it for you for years to come. Thank you for watching Informative Classics. Thank you for checking out the channel. I have more ideas coming up on this channel soon, so stay tuned. Yeah, crazy, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.